Thinking of moving to Guelph? Hold on a second. Because not everyone who moves here stays. In fact, I am about to break down the top 5 reasons people leave Guelph after moving. And trust me, knowing these upfront will save you time, money, and frustration before you decide. Let's get right into it. Let's start with the biggest one, cost of living. Yes, Guelph is cheaper than Toronto, but it's not exactly cheap. Families who relocate here often underestimate just how quickly groceries, daycare, property taxes, and housing can add up. Many realize they stretch themselves too thin, and within a few years, they start thinking about more affordable nearby towns. By the way, I have created a full video breakdown the cost of living in Guelph. I will link it at the end, so don't miss that. Number 2, nightlife and entertainment. Guelph has great pubs, coffee shops, and a small art scene. But if you're coming from a big city, the nightlife can feel limited. Some people move here expecting a Toronto like vibe and end up feeling bored, especially young professionals. Let me share a quick story. Last Christmas, I helped a young couple relocate from Toronto to a condo near downtown Guelph. They were excited about the move and loved the city's charm. But within just 6 months, they came back to me and decided to lease out their condo. Why? They realized Guelph nightlife and entertainment scene wasn't quite what they were used to in Toronto. Coffee shops, local pubs, and parks were great, but for their Friday and Saturday nights, they were missing the variety and energy of a big city. This really highlights why understanding the lifestyle differences before moving is so important. And it's exactly why I always guide my clients through neighborhood choices and local amenities before they commit. Oh, and if we haven't met yet, my name is Shrikant Verma, a local realtor here in Guelph. I have had dozens of families relocate to this city, and I know firsthand the challenges people face when deciding if Guelph is the right fit. My goal is to give you the real picture so you can make the best decision for you and your family. If you're considering moving to Guelph, I have put together a free relocation guide. You can download it right now using the link in the description below. Number 3, the commute. If you work in Toronto or the GTA, be prepared for long drives or packed GO trains. Yes, Guelph is well connected, but rush hour traffic on Highway 401 is brutal. For many families, this becomes a deal breaker after a year or two. This is exactly why I work with my clients to map out commute times before they buy. If you are worried about this, let's chat. I can help you figure out the best neighborhoods for your lifestyle. Reason number 4, job opportunities. Guelph is strong in education, government, and some manufacturing, but it's not as diverse as Toronto or Kitchener-Waterloo. If you are in tech, finance, or certain industries, you might feel limited here. That's when families start looking back towards job markets. And finally, growing pains. Guelph is expanding fast. More housing, more traffic, schools getting busier, and construction everywhere. For some, this growth feels exciting. For others, it's overwhelming and they move out to smaller, quieter towns nearby. So, those are the top 5 reasons people leave Guelph after moving. But here is the truth. These don't have to be deal breakers. With the right neighborhood, smart budget planning, and clear expectations, Guelph can still be an amazing long-term home for you and your family. If you are seriously considering a move, I have put together a free relocation guide that covers neighborhoods, schools, housing costs, and all the insider details you should know before making the move. You can download it right now using the link in the description below. And if you would like personal help, let's schedule a quick, no obligation consultation call. I can walk you through the best areas for your lifestyle and answer any questions you might have about relocating here. That link is also in the description. And if you are not quite ready yet, no problem. Just hit subscribe. I post new videos every week about life and real estate in Guelph to help you make the most informed decision possible. Every city has its pros and cons, and the key is making sure Guelph matches what you and your family are looking for. If you found this helpful, check out my video on 8 mistakes to avoid when moving to Guelph. I will link it right here. That way, you will be fully prepared to make the right move. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.